It's Monday, May 4th, 2026. Good morning, everyone. Atiku is traveling to United States of America to discuss with the American government about the issue of insecurity and economy. Suddenly, Atiku want to start talking about the issue of insecurity and economy. Anyway, you see this period of election, a lot of people don't used to like me. You know why? A lot of people have different opinion. The people they are supporting, different presidential candidates. But I will always say the truth, no matter the person it concerns. Even though, for example, I am even supporting you, I will still say the truth if you do anything that is contrary to what I know. Now, you see why this issue of Atiku is laughable. Atiku was the one who deleted the tweet when Deborah was murdered by mob, who said that she violated some code in Sharia law by talking something against their religion. So they killed her, they stoned her to death. And the people who stoned her to death are well-known people. So Atiku Abubakar tweeted, firstly, to condemn the act. Okay, he first of all tweeted to condemn the act, but boom, messages started dropping in his inbox, and guess what? He deleted the tweet. He said he did not authorize the tweet. However, we want to know, ever since he deleted the tweet that he did not authorize it, did he later condemn the killing of Deborah? No, he didn't. And we are saying that this issue of extremism is what is breeding insecurity in Nigeria. And he wants to travel now to US to discuss about the issue of insecurity. I'm laughing. I'm laughing so hard. And Obi defecting to NDC gave Atiku another edge because Atiku believed that the northern part of the country left Tinubu already. Tinubu is not going to have any vote in the northern part of the country. So Atiku is leveraging that he will now take the votes from the northern part of the country. That is what Atiku is leveraging. So for him, he have higher chances of defeating any presidential candidate. Then Obi and Tinubu will share the votes from the south. Definitely states like Edo, Rivers, Delta State. What happened before will not happen again. Okay? This Obi movement will not be able to penetrate these states because they will champion rigging very well. I know what is going on. They are going to champion rigging very well. But other places, I think Obi might win it. Southeast, Obi will win it. Then Lagos might be contested. Then other part of, Yoruba, Tinubu, we have votes very well. If Makinde becomes a vice to Atiku Abubakar, they might have votes in that Oyo state. So apart from that, Atiku is now thinking that he have higher chances of becoming, the next president of Nigeria. Since Obi defected, he is not seeing Obi defection as a disadvantage. He's seeing it as an advantage that Obi defecting will go and divide Tinubu's vote. That this is not 2023 where the northern part of the country are really interested in supporting Tinubu. That they don't want to support Tinubu again, blah, 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 blah. So that is not it. The reason why I'm making this video is because he want to travel. He want to travel to wherever he want to travel to in America. Whether it's White House, whether it's, I don't know. He have a lobby already, and his lobby have been paid almost $1.2 million. Imagine such amount of money. These people, you see why they don't care about anything? The money is excess. They have excess money. So they don't care whether you suffer, whether anything that is happening to you. They don't care. So this issue of traveling to US is so laughable. It shows the kind of people who are coming out to say that they want to be your president. No matter, even though you put gun on my head today, I will still tell you the truth. Nigeria don't have a pathway to succeeding. I have not seen it. I've not seen it. I might not be totally correct, but Nigeria don't have a pathway to succeeding. Because if there is, I'm not seeing it. If there is, I'm not seeing it. So let's see what is going to happen. Because with everything that has happened, look at now. They amended the electoral act. Nobody is talking. Even Atiku Abubakar, P2B, Showore, nobody is talking. Your electoral act was altered. Not what the Senate passed, but they followed back just like they do the tax, this thing. They followed back and altered it. And after altering it, then they present it to you, which gave them opportunity to rig the election. And for you, that is not an issue. It's not a problem, right? That is not a problem. We'll fight against rigging. Everybody will secure his or her polling units. And you forget that the law did not stop INEC not to take all those ballot papers, even though they don't print it outside. They will take it. So these are the issues here. You know, it is important sometimes we keep emotions aside and face the reality. This thing I'm saying is like, maybe you are now going out to fight somebody. They say you have a match fight. And in that match fight, they did not provide gun, cutlass, everything for you. They said, you people are going to fight with your bare hands. And the following day, they changed the rules without telling you. They now gave the other man gun to go and fight with you. They have given him gun already. They changed the rules. You don't know. They changed it at your back. That was not the original rules. They now say you people should now go and fight. And someone came and said, there is a law I'm seeing there. It's not what we pass that we give you. The law I'm seeing now is that this man is already in possession of gun and you are going there to fight with ordinary hands. And you are saying you need free and fair. Before you get there, they will shoot you dead. I'm trying to, use parable to talk to people who will understand what I'm saying. They have already handed gun to Bola Tinubu. See, Nigerians are not ready to die. All these people doing how many of them came out during NSAS? How many of them came out when we were protesting? Even embargo government protests, when we even thought that things is very, very bad, insecurity, everything, that people even show consigned to hold these people accountable. We were in the street. How many of them came out? You are not ready to die. You are not ready to do anything. If they ask you to do something, you will not do, and you think that miracle is going to happen in 2027. Anyway, notwithstanding, I'm not saying everybody is bad. At least these people now, the few people that I know that are contesting for president, I can see that at least two people are notably reasonable, who are P2B and Omoyinde Sowore. Omoyinde Sowore don't used to have votes. This period, he might even have, a little bit higher vote than he used to have before. But that is not even enough to win a community vote. But P2B is always pulling the crowd. But Nigeria have shown to people that crowd does not win election. That you voting does not win election. What win election is, will your vote count? So these are the things I look and I frown at it, because you can't be seen then handing gun to your opponent and you are going to fight with ordinary hand. If I talk now, they say, no, these people they are smart. That is why they are not talking. I fold my hand. I'm watching you now. We have been here since 1999. No problem. I fold my hand. I will be watching you. So if you're expecting a change in 2027, you see that electoral act that Tinubu or Akpabio, anybody that authored it, that put it in a way that they can rig election, they're supposed to have been occupied everywhere. They're supposed to have occupied everywhere. You can't try this under Jonathan. This Tinubu and Buhari, then they will bulldoze you out of your office. They will threaten parallel government. But now you say, no, don't say it. Oh, if you say it now, they will do let me not talk much. Issue of politics sometimes is sensitive. People you are supporting, if they tell you the truth, you will not understand. So it is what it is. Atiku, we are watching you.